TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, 30 minutes into the trading day. And let's check in on the markets as all the major indices currently in the red still, but getting quite a boost off the opening bell. We're looking at a Dow currently negative by 80 points, trading at 24,754. S&P's negative by about 8 points, trading at 2715, and the NASDAQ negative by 22 points, trading at 7355. All the major indices much lower, though, coming into that open. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and dig into some of those markets. We'll start it off with the Dow 30, currently trading 24,743. So you can see kind of the acceleration we've had, about 100 points to the upside since about 9 a.m. is when that upside action started. NASDAQ 100, same similar pattern, just a bigger move. 9 a.m., we're down there at 68.40. We're now about 35 points higher in the NASDAQ 100, trading 68.73, reclaiming most of those declines that we saw in the overnight session. S&P 500, pretty similar action. Trade lower overnight. About 9 a.m., we start to trade higher, currently trading 27.15 in the S&Ps. Crude oil with some volatility this morning, approaching $72. We'll get the EIA inventory numbers a half hour from right now. Be interesting to see how they shape the oil action today. We'll be live on the air for those numbers at 10:30. Euro US dollar, so we're seeing some dollar strength, euro weakness. Euro currently trading 117, was up there at 117.80 not long ago in the overnight session last night. And gold, as we've seen some dollar strength, we've seen some gold weakness. Gold was approaching $1,300 at one point early in the morning, call it 6 a.m. We're up there at $1297.82, and we're about $10, almost $9 off that level, trading $1288.79. So it is still earnings season up there. You have a couple numbers out this morning. Target blaming a chilly spring for disappointing earnings. And to get down to some of the numbers for Target, you had earnings per share 132 versus 139, revenue 16.56 versus 16.58. To jump over to the Target shares, Target down about 5% this morning and was lower at one point. Pretty remarkable action. Jumping back, we also had Lowe's coming out with their earnings as well. A little bit of a different story as we have Lowe's blaming weather for not delivering the results they had hoped for. But it seems like the market likes what Lowe's is giving them, up 8%. That's some volatility pre-market. Was lower at 82 at one point, now at 93 on the dot. Stay tuned. I'll be back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. We'll have those oil numbers at 10:30. Have a great day, everybody.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.